Energy pyramid, from the name you can see the pyramid which describing the energy. The pyramid shape reflects the loss of energy at each trophic level. What is that? We'll see now. See, here we'll be saying that energy, that the source of energy in this universe or earth is sun. We are getting energy from the sun. That is the basic or the base of the energy for everything. So here when it goes here, so you'll find that first of all you find the primary producers. Got it? Now as you go up, so whatever the energy is produced by the primary producers, not 100% it will go to the primary consumers. Some energy will go to primary consumers and other will be waste or lost as a form of heat. Then from primary consumers, when energy will go to the secondary consumers, again it will not go 100%, some will lost as a heat. So in this pyramid they are describing how the energy is lost at each level. And what is that trophic level? As I told you, primary consumers, producers, consumers, secondary consumer, like this. So here in this diagram you can see this 100%. After how much left here? 10%. It means 90% already gone. Then you have 1%. Then you have 0.1%. Then you have 0.01%. So all this one. Then they're saying this energy can be recycled, or you can say, for example, if the energy, they will, these all the trophic levels, if they will die and they will decompose, again they will go to the primary producers or the plants, they can go there. So this is the main idea behind the energy pyramid. Now we'll see the detail, the definition, what is saying. The pyramid shape reflects the loss of energy at each trophic level. A pyramid of energy represents how much energy initially from the sun, as we saw here it was 100%, is retained or stored in the form of new biomass. It can be like a food or fruit or chemical, whatever energy. After that, typically about 10% of the energy is transferred to the next level, as we discussed. Here only 10%. Other is lost in the form of heat and that one. So this is the energy pyramid, and by seeing the pyramid you can tell it easily, because you will find their energy pyramid and here you can find the energy loss. Now there is another example of the energy pyramid, or it's also known as food pyramid, because energy in the form of food. Now here you can see, first of all you can find here that decomposers here, they are in the soil, and from that it goes to the producers. So from here it start. So these producers, they take the energy and then they transfer to each level. After that, these primary consumers, they will take energy from here, then it will transfer to secondary consumers, then secondary to tertiary, and then finally you have apex predators or the final consumers. So they're saying that what is the rule? Rule is 10%. For example, if it is 100,000, let's say we start it by 1,000. So when we start it by 1,000, so at that time, the next level, how much it will go? What is the, you can say 10% of this one. It will be, if you divide it, so it will divide by 10, so it will be 10 here. Then next will be what? Again, it will be 0.1. Then here 0.01, and here 0.001, and here 0.0001. So this is the 10% rule. They are saying that only 10% energy is transferred to the next trophic level, and all other is way you can say lost in the form of heat. So that is the main idea behind this. Okay. Now they're saying where the energy is lost and where all the energy is used. So the energy is lost during the transfer as heat to the environment, used for cellular respiration, used for the growth, lost as feces when the waste comes from the animals, lost by incomplete digestion by higher trophic level. Food chain cannot have more than 4 or 5 trophic level as there is not enough energy to pass on. They are saying when you're talking about the trophic level, so you will not find more than 4 or 5, because only 10% is transferring to next, and after 5 very less amount of energy is left, and that is so less it cannot be transferred to the next level. So here they're doing the same thing, that the in a food chain you will find only 4 to 5 trophic levels. After that you will not find another level. Why? Because energy is already in a very low amount.